Good morning, everybody. This is Debt Free Cars with an Audi A6 Quattro 2006 with a 3.2 liter FSI engine. We're getting some noise in the back timing chain area with some misfire codes and a camshaft sensor code. Before you do any work, major work like removing the engine or modifying or replacing the timing chain, watch this video. I will explain to you the step-by-step process before to diagnose all the problems before changing the timing chain. Okay, so this is what happened with this Audi A6 Quattro 2006. It came in with a rear timing chain noise, clack, 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 clicking noise. It had misfire codes, P0300, 301, 302, 303, mostly on this side. There was a little history on the car, which was that someone actually replaced the valve cover gaskets, just the top gasket set. And it also had a P0356 code, which is a camshaft misalignment, but I'll talk to you about that a little later. So the first thing we actually did was actually open up the rear timing chain cover on the side that was making noise. We actually found that there was actually some broken timing chain parts. So make sure you watch the rest of this video, because I'll explain to you what we what mistakes we made in terms of changing out that timing chain tensioner. We had to do it twice. So, but before you do that, before you even take out the timing chain, what you want to do is, especially after a valve cover gasket removal, you want to go into the spark plugs and clean out all the spark plugs and actually change out the spark plugs. Because what happens is when someone does the valve cover gaskets, oil goes inside the spark tube, and it actually causes misfire. So if you're getting any kind of misfire code, P0300 to P0306, check the spark plugs, replace them, clean them out really well, and then put them back in, see if the code still exists. Now the next code we actually got was a P0346, which on some of these forums on YouTube actually did say, and thank you very much for that video, is that it is these are the VVTI, or variable valve timing sensors right here. One here, and then there's one there. So if you get a P0346, there's one for the bank 1 and bank 2. Go ahead, make sure you pull these out, put some power to them, clean them out, and then if there's any clogs or anything like that, clean those out too. Okay, so the noise would generally come where this black cover over here is on the back side of the engine, and it'll be like a rattling noise, something almost like, sounds like a loose bolt. It'll happen occasionally. It won't always happen all the time, depending on how loose the timing chain and the camshaft and the timing tensioner is. So that's actually a really good telltale sign that the tensioner is bad. So we'll go ahead and take this apart, and then we will see what it looks like inside. That's it. All right, folks, here you go. This is a tensioner, a brand new tensioner that I bought from eBay, and for the Audi A6 3.2 Quattro FSI engine. Now here's the problem, is that this actually looks like it's actually, very nice, brand new, except for the motor oil that I put on here, but it looks like it's in pretty good condition. And you saw a lot of videos on how to reset these for preparing for installation. So the way to do this is, you want to push it all the way in from the full open position, and then put a clip pin, clip pin here. So you push it all the way in, and then put the clip pin here, or the holding pin here, and then let it go, and then you install this. And then when you run your chain and everything, you pull this open, and then it pops open, right? But here's the thing, is that this one is a brand new one from eBay. There's something you have to test for before you can install this. what you want to do is, instead of pushing it all the way in to reset it, you want to push it in halfway in, about this far, and see if this piston holds. Okay, it's very important because these ones that you get from eBay do not work. They actually have a problem where this tensioner is actually not designed properly. So on a normal one, and I'll show you in a minute, a normal one, if you push it in halfway, it actually locks, and then it doesn't extend all the way out like this, okay? So this one, even though it looks brand new, okay, see, shiny brand new, is not working. See, it doesn't actually lock in between, okay? Sometimes you'll find, another one I found that I bought on eBay too, it was locked in this closed position, and when you let go, it actually didn't extend until you twisted or pulled on it, and then it popped open. So that one's not working either. So let me show you what a proper one should look like. This is a proper working one. This one I actually ended up getting from the dealership. It's an Audi genuine brand new tensioner. So this one, $200. This one on eBay I found for $50. So you kind of tell what is going on here. These are actually on different sides, but you get the idea. So the way, again, to reset this for installation is you need to push this all the way in. Okay, push it all the way in, and then you put your clip in here, okay? And then when you install this, you pull the clip in, and then it sets up correctly. Now here's the thing though, if you push this halfway in, it's gonna lock. So you push it in about right here, and then when you let go, it actually locks. You see, it doesn't bounce out. If you push it a little bit more, it doesn't bounce out like the other one. So the other one bounces out. So this one, and then if you push it in all the way in, then it actually pops out all the way, okay? So when you want to reset this, you push it all the way in, put the clip pin in, and you're ready for installation. So be careful out there when you want to save some money. I know it's tempting to save $150 on a cheap, generic tensioner, especially when the car is, 20 years old. But careful. What ended up happening was when I installed this tensioner, my chain slipped, and actually it messed up all the timing and everything. Good thing it didn't bend any valves or anything, so it's good on that front. But anyways, good luck with your repair, and be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to Debt Free Cars. Stay out of debt, pay cash for cars. Debt Free Cars is here to help. Please subscribe.